Hey guys, how y'all doing? My name is Salieu. I'm a digital marketer and also a mobile geek. In this video, I'm going to show you 2 tricks on Instagram, alright? The first trick is how you can download anyone's profile picture on Instagram, alright? The second trick is on how you can translate someone's comment in Instagram, alright? Because as you know, like in FB, you can easily translate someone's caption and someone's comment, alright? But on Instagram, you only have access to translate someone's caption, but you don't have access to translate someone's comment because it is not there. Okay, so please stick until the end. Okay, I will be right back.
Okay, well, let's jump straight into our video. Okay, so let's try to open our Instagram. Let me scroll down and find anyone's account. Okay, so that I will try to download the profile pic. Yeah, this is my Instagram account. Yeah, let me scroll down. Wow, okay, 𝐓𝐚𝐤𝐬𝐧𝐠, he is one of my favorite Nigerian actor. Okay, so let me try to download his profile pic. As you can see, I can't able to do that on Instagram, all right, unless the help of a website. I'm on my Chrome. Okay, InstaDP, this is the website. All right, through this website I can download anyone's Instagram profile pic. Okay, instadp.com, this is the website. Yeah, let me try to open this website. That is it. When you open it first, anyway, some ads will try to pop up, but you can try to cancel them. Okay, as you see, profile picture downloader, Instagram videos downloader. Okay, so don't mind these ads. Okay, you just click that, you just try to remove the ads. All right, so you just enter the username of the person. Okay, 𝐓𝐚𝐤𝐬𝐧𝐠, yeah, that is his Instagram name. Yeah, let me search it, and his profile pic will show up. Let me continue. Okay, just need to exercise some little patience, guys. All right, don't mind these ads. Yeah, okay, that is it. This is my actor, so when it shows up like this, you just need to tap on download to download the profile pic. All right, so yeah, let me show you guys. As you can see, I have already downloaded the profile pic. Okay, this is the first part. The second part, guys, let me go straight away into my Instagram and find and try to translate the caption of anyone. Okay, so let me go to Ronaldo, because I know Ronaldo, he's a Brazilian, right? Okay, I believe that most of his posts are in Portuguese. So let me just try to open Ronaldo again. I like him so much, the Brazilian footballer. Okay, so let me just try to open any of his posts. I'm sure his caption, his comment, all of that are in Portuguese. As you can see here, you can easily translate the caption. You can see translation. Okay, yeah, down the comment. But when you open the comment, you cannot see anywhere written like translation, something like that. First, what I need to do, I need to screenshot the screen. All right, I need to screenshot like anywhere I want to translate, then go and post it into my Google Translate. As you see, guys, this is a screenshot that I have made. I need to go and open my Google Translate. Yeah, okay, then tap on camera. Guess what? Continue. All right, allow the permissions, then import the screenshot. All right, so that is it. Yeah, let me just import the screenshot. As you see, guys, I'm scanning the comment. All right, so I just need to tap on where I want to translate. All right, so that is it. Yeah, as you can see, because I need to change that, I need to interchange this one. Okay, because I know the language is already in Portuguese. All right, but if you don't know the language, you can just tap there and tap on detect language, so you can easily translate. As you can see, this is a comment that I have already translated. Okay, even though like not everything not everything translated, so but it okay. As you can see, if you don't know the language that you want to translate, you can just tap on detect language and tap on the language that you can understand. Okay, but since I know the language is in Portuguese, so that's why I tap on there. Alright, so if you found this video helpful, guys, please smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos.
This is all about the tutorial, guys. Alright, if you found this video helpful, or this is your first time, guys, to check out my channel, please, you know exactly what to do. Smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. Alright, so peace.
With